Hi everyone, and welcome to House of Binding. I'm Ivy Vining, fashion design instructor. I teach all levels and aspects of garment construction, including pattern drafting, sewing, and draping for both fashion design and costume. Whether you're a self-taught sewist looking to up their game, a fashion design student who wants to get ahead of the class, an ambitious cosplayer, or a professional designer yourself with a budding clothing line, I've got you covered with projects to inspire and tips to grow. I just moved into my new and improved studio and have a lot of content coming your way, including full projects, step-by-step sewing tutorials with patterns available for purchase, pattern drafting theory and technique, and general sewing badassery that I can't wait to share with you all. So hit that subscribe button, grab some fabric, and I'll see you at the sewing machine.